Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an twisting element ear. This element is also called a pinch twist. Pre-stretch the balloon for modeling, size to 160. This is necessary to increase the elasticity of the balloon. Inflate the balloon with 4 pumps. Let out some air for 1 second. Press the balloon at a distance of 3 centimeters from the beginning and tie a knot. Make a bubble the size of 2 fingers. Pinch the first bubble between your index and middle finger. Make 2 more bubbles. Mash the modeling balloon a little if you feel that there is a strong air pressure inside. Put the first and third bubbles together. Pull back the middle bubble a little and twist it 3 times. This element is called a pinch twist, and it has the shape of an ear. Make 2 more bubbles and repeat the exercise. Look, I've fixed the end of the balloon and the end of the last bubble together. I got a visual head of a bear cub with 2 ears. Now I want to show you one more way to make the same element. Pre-stretch the balloon for modeling, size to 160. This is necessary to increase the elasticity of the balloon. Inflate the balloon with 3 pumps. Let out some air for 1 second. Press the balloon at a distance of 3 centimeters from the beginning and tie a knot. Make 3 bubbles the size of 2 fingers each. Fold the second and third bubbles together, pull back a little and twist. Press the modeling balloon tightly at the base of these 2 twisted bubbles and twist this modeling balloon tightly between these bubbles. Look, I got 2 pinch twists or 2 ears at once. Make 1 bubble the size of 5 fingers and 2 bubbles the size of 2 fingers and repeat the exercise. Look, it turned out to be a figure similar to a stick of bamboo. Train to grow. Thank you for watching us.